This is a beautiful color hair transformation I just did. Look at the shine. I'm telling you, the shine is like mine. This is amazing, guys. I just did a transformation on this amazing lady. And you know, she brought me here first thing in the morning. But guess what? I'm happy to do it because I really love what we do with her hair. And her hair looks amazing. It's gorgeous, I'm telling you. Look at this color, my gosh. Look at these tones, guys. And I took her from a really chunky highlights. It was done. This is our second time. Third time is a charm, they say. Look at these colors. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm really impressed myself, too. But I didn't do it. It was me and her. We did it together. So yes, I did the work, but she's definitely, it's always a collaboration. Right, madam?
Thank you.
My pleasure. No, but collaboration, so we had to agree on the tones.
You know what, actually, you know what you're doing. So,
She told me, I know what I'm doing. Thank you. I love you for that.
I don't want to say that.
Guess what? This is a Salon of Deer in North America. I go on the plaque.
Wow.
Yes, talk is cheap. Salon of Deer North America. I designed it. But we've been discussing today, actually I love this client. She's amazing. She's like a sister I never had. We've been discussing the shades and tones of the color salon. We're doing a renovation. One of the reasons I'm kind of taking my time doing the renovation is I'm actually getting some ideas from my clients as well as myself. That way, you know, because yeah, I work here, but my clients gets their hair done here. I'm waiting for Susan Granger. Susan Granger, I'm waiting for you. She'll be coming on the 9th of this month. I guess she'll be here. When is 9th? I think Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah. So I want to finalize it with Susan Granger's advice because she lives in Destin, Florida.
Oh.
Relax. Susan Granger.
She's a Turkish lady?
she's a Turkish.
Yeah?
Susan, no, she's Irish.
She's Irish?
Granger. Man.
Granger. Okay, there is a one more lady, Hebrew.
I don't know what
You can put it on Google. Hebrew is also good in, I think so, I don't know, she's a Susan Gray, I think so, I know her.
You think so?
I think so.
Well, she's popular.
Yeah, my husband.
Does she rent a space to maybe her husband?
No.
They own some kind of software
I was
business.
remodeling my house,
Okay.
and that
I doubt. You're talking about a different person.
she's from Florida too. She come and she helped me for a couple of times.
Really? No.
I don't know, it's Susan Rain or something.
Granger. She used to live in St. Malo. She has a son right now. I'm proud of him. I've been doing his hair for years.
Mm-hmm.
He's a football player for
Yeah.
Carolina Panthers. My man. Grangers are rocking and rolling, baby. We don't make mistakes. We make discoveries. Colin Granger. I want your picture. Sorry. Look down for me. We've been doing a lot of work here, guys. All right. So check it out. Huh? Look at this. Look, lean back. Yeah. The color gorgeous. Very natural, but it has a lot of beautiful caramel and some beige and no reds because you know some client does not like red color. So, how do you like the smell of this? This is a Rakuki oil by Davines.
It's so nice.
Yeah. So you gotta have this because you already bought the shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah, I bought this one.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know yet. You're on FaceTime, so don't for sure you're FaceTime. Gorgeous. Mine. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Look at this beautiful layers cut. It's amazing. So anyways, she's been working me, guys. We met 7:30. It's gonna cost her some money today. Have a wonderful day and much love and great respect. My mom doesn't like this sign, so I'm gonna give this. Ciao.
All the best.
All the best.